Guys, if you have found this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe. You'll get notifications for all the projects I have going on. This is a tuna door that had some rotten coring in it. Not even sure what kind of boat this goes to actually, but I'm replacing all the coring. I'm going to glass it over and match the toe coat, all that good stuff. There's a small hole here that cracked through, so I put some tape. Got some resin mixed up. So we're going to coat this whole thing. Slather it on nice and rich. And I've got a couple of scrap pieces that I cut to fit. And I'm just going to slather this all together. So normally I would put balsa in this kind of thing, just because that's what's there. But to avoid the cost of buying an entire sheet of some 2.5-inch balsa, which is not cheap, the owner had some Nitacore hanging around from a project we did before. So I'm more than happy to fill this gap with that coring. One, because it's available. Two, because it's not going to rot. I kind of prefer anything that's foam and what have you. This stuff is PVC. Pretty cool and actually really strong, considering what it is, because it's just a sandwich of fiber and then PVC honeycomb in the middle. But I'm basically gonna let this dry, and then I'm just gonna cut up a bunch of pieces so this fits nice and level to the rest of this, and then I can kind of fill over that, give it a nice good solid fiber layer, and go from there. So again, if you made it this far and you want to get notifications for this and other projects we've got going on, a couple things, go ahead and subscribe, push like, share with your buddies. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.